Want your Android home screen to look like a real mechanical masterpiece? In this video, I'll show you 3D Steampunk Clock Live Wallpaper with realistic clock effects, rotating gears, and smooth animations. So let's get started. First, open Play Store on your phone. Go to search bar and search Cool Wallpapers HD Steampunk. Install app and open. Click here, Best Live Wallpapers. Swipe left and choose Wallpaper. Unlock Wallpaper. Please wait. Click here to apply live wallpaper. Click Home Screen. Apply live wallpaper. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.